Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever watched an Hollywood movie and thought, I wish I could speak like them? Then, don't worry, you really can speak like them. And today, I'm gonna give you my favorite 7 movies that I have watched and that I used to watch when I was learning English. So, if you're interested in this video, watch this video till the end because the last movie is my favorite one and it will really help you to learn English. So, let's get started. So, before we jump into the list of movies, let me quickly tell you why movies are the best way to learn English, especially for beginners. So, the first reason would be we hear real English conversation. Second, we can see the expressions and how to use the words and how to say it. And the reason number third, we hear real accent. And it's not boring like textbook. This is super fun. That's why it works the best. And now I'm gonna give you the 7 movies that helped me to learn English fluently. So let's get started. So the movie number 1 would be Remember the Goal. This is one of the favorite movie. This is about spiritual, this is about God, Jesus, and I really love this movie. And if you watch this movie, you will really feel motivated to learn this language. This is a motivation movie, as you can tell. And the movie number 2 would be Not Cinderella Style. This is a great movie to learn English. And the movie number 3 would be Love Switch. This is also one of my favorite movie. This is a romantic comedy drama movie and I really love this. You should definitely watch this movie. And the movie number 4 would be Cinderella in the Caribbean and you should definitely watch this movie. Give it a shot, okay? And the movie number 5 would be The Girl He Never Noticed. This is also my favorite movie. The accent of this movie is so different. I was so confused at first, but you will love this movie. And the movie number 6 would be Made for You with Love. This is a fantastic movie, I would say, because this is one of my favorite as well, and you should really watch this movie. And last but not the least, and my favorite phenomenal movie is Romeo and Juliet. This version of Romeo and Juliet is not the old one. It's a mini series that I really loved watching. The actor and actress are phenomenal in this movie and you should definitely watch this movie. And so these were the 7th movie that I had watched and that I wanted you guys to watch, and I hope you will watch for sure. And now let me give you some bonus tips that how you can learn English from movies, okay? So the first one would be turn on the subtitles if you are a beginner and if it's hard for you to understand. Tip number 2, imitate the actors. Imitate the character. No matter what they are saying, even if you don't understand, try to speak it out loud with emotion, okay? This way you won't gonna feel boring at all. So that's my favorite method of all. And note down 5 new words from each movie so that you will learn so many vocabularies. And please do shadow, okay? Do imitate them, do imitate the character because this gonna help you so much. It works like a magic, okay? Don't forget to imitate the actors because we are learning spoken English. It's not about understanding or writing, it's about speaking. So when you are watching, try to speak it out loud, okay? Okay besties, that's all for today and I hope you like this video and comment down below which movie you are gonna watch first. And please guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot for me, and I don't know why many people are watching my videos but they are not subscribing. Please guys, do subscribe if you like these videos, and because it motivates me to make more videos like this. And I hope you like this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. So till then, keep learning and keep shining. Bye.